Hello, my name is Thea and I'm a training specialist at Tom Pitt. In today's video, I'm going to talk about the consumption document. The goal of this lesson is to learn what is a consumption document, where to view consumption documents in Tom Pitt's system, and the importance of having a document with information about consumption. A consumption document is essential for manufacturing processes. This document contains details about the materials that have been consumed during the production process, including the quantities, locations, and sources. It serves as an official record confirming that the required materials have been used in the production process. Having the option to see which materials were used in the process can be beneficial in multiple ways, especially when it comes to certain quality regulations and audits. This is crucial for quality control, enabling companies to trace back any issues to specific materials. For example, imagine working in a company that produces wooden tables. The company creates a production order for 15 ash wood tables. Once this order is activated, the production process begins. During the production of the tables, various materials such as wood, screws, and varnish are consumed. After the production is completed, a consumption document is created. This document lists the materials used, specifying their serial numbers, sources, and quantities that were consumed. If a quality issue arises with the table produced, the consumption document allows the company to trace back the specific materials used in the process of the assembly. Now let's see how this works in Tom Pitt. A consumption document is automatically generated after items on a production order are added as inputs. I'm going to open an already existing closed production order for tables. To access production orders, navigate to the production domain, selecting the production orders icon. Choosing the Close tab from the filters on the left, I'm going to open an order for 20 ash wood tables by clicking on the blue code. A production order will open, and by selecting the Link Documents section, a list of documents connected to the order will appear. Select the consumption document to inspect it further. At the top, you can see the consumption document code, the location of the consumed items, and time and date of the document's creation. Scrolling down, there is a list of items consumed. The left column contains the item's code and name. Source lists the specific material's serial number that was used in the process. And on the right, the column displays the quantity of material consumed in the process of creating the product. To find a specific material faster, you can use the search bar at the top of the list. And with that, we conclude today's lesson on consumption documents. Let's summarize what we've learned in this video. You now know what a consumption document is, you know where to view consumption documents in Tom Pitt, and you know the importance of having a document with information about the items consumed during the production process. I hope this video helped, and I will see you in the next lesson.